Somebody's vessels approaching us. Don't stare off. Look off in the corner. Has not responded to signals, but is believed to be a techno-union armed transport. Location vessel appears to be near action. Stand by.
I have concluded this space is unfit for habitation.